So, are you worried about a third party? Has there been a third party involved in your relationship? Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers, we are absolutely thrilled. Coming out is our new book, 1111 Magical Affirmations. It's by myself, Agna, and Rachel did all the editing. And we're just very, very excited about this book because it's something you're going to use for the rest of your life. There's so many different topics in there, and the affirmations are extremely powerful and unique. Okay, so we're going to get on with this, but I just want to say this. At some point, you have to give up the wanting and you have to start creating. If you're not going to give up the complaining, the wanting, the begging, then prepare to stay where you're at for the rest of your life. Manifestors don't complain, they don't want, they don't need, they create. And you have to decide right now, are you a creator? If you are, this video is going to help you. High flyers, I believe that you and I are co-creators. We have the ability and the power to create our own reality. So if there's a third party in your reality, then you're responsible, not for the third party, not for someone else's actions, but you're responsible for everything that's in your reality. Years ago, I had a friend, he said, my girlfriend is seeing somebody else. It's really tearing me down. So I created a hypnotic audio for him. And in this hypnotic audio, we agreed that there was no third party. And he listened to it every night. And guess what? In a period of time, it was like this third party didn't even exist. It was like, it was more of his imagination, his worry, his fear than anything else. I'm not saying that there wasn't a third party. I'm saying he didn't give rise to it. He didn't give room for a third party. And the hypnotic audio that I created for him helped him as well. So he got exactly what he desired, the woman of his dreams, and no more third party. A third party is an expression of the vibration frequency of the past, not the future. Oh, let me repeat that because this is so important. When you think about a third party, it has nothing to do with the future going forward. It's what's been created up until now. In other words, thoughts and fears and worries and doubts have created or empowered a third party, and that's why there is one now. Change your beliefs, you change your outcome. Your reality does not just happen. You create your own reality. Take responsibility for it right now. Take responsibility. And when you take responsibility, it's going to be amazing how fast everything begins to shift. I'm going to share with you 5 ways to ensure that whatever you used to believe about a third party no longer exists in your mind or in your belief system. So, number 1, the law of vibration, including the law of attraction and the law of assumption, shape your reality. High flyers, if you are constantly assuming a third party, you are putting energy into that third party relationship. Third parties generally feed on worry and doubt and fear and anxiety. So the more you feel those feelings and you're worried about the third party, the stronger the third party becomes. The secret, high flyers, is to change your assumptions and thus change your beliefs. Why not visualize your specific person next to you, wanting you, loving you, craving you? Why not manifest a different reality than the one you're currently living? The more you create the reality you desire, the wish fulfilled in your mind, the more you hold on to that inner belief rather than the 3D world, the sooner that third party no longer exists. Number 2, focus on your own self-empowerment. Stop focusing on the third party. Stop focusing on your specific person. Assume that the third party is irrelevant, that it really doesn't exist, that there is no third party. In other words, what you're doing, high flyers, is you're shifting your focus from external to internal. By doing this, you increase your confidence, you increase your power, you increase your magnetism, and you literally write a whole new chapter on your future going forward from this moment on. Create a new reality where the two of you are on a beautiful, loving journey together. And say this affirmation morning, noon, and night. To the one that I love, I am the one. To the one that I love, I am the one. Number 3, practice quantum consciousness. Quantum physics suggests that the very act of observation can influence the behavior of particles. What you focus on grows. High flyers, this is so critical. There is no third party. By focusing on a third party, it grows. When you take away the third party and say there is no third party, and you live from that new inner reality, it must match a new outer reality. No third party. Shift your focus and assume from this moment on, the third party does not exist. What happens when you do this is you are literally influencing the quantum field, and you're literally shifting the entire quantum field with your thoughts and new assumptions. And all of a sudden, what did exist no longer exists. Say this affirmation daily. Say it as often as you possibly can. We are perfect together, and we both know it. Number 4, use the law of attraction. Your thoughts, your beliefs attract like-minded energies. You can manifest the reality that you desire by believing in the reality that you desire. That's how you create miracles. That's how miracles literally become part of your life. If you can conceive it, if you will choose right now to believe it, you will receive it. Say this affirmation daily. We share a circle of love where only the two of us exist. And number 5, gratitude. Fill yourself with gratitude that you are the one chosen, that you are the one for your specific person, that they crave and love and care about only you. And the more you live this grateful energy, this higher vibrational energy, the sooner it will become your reality. Say this affirmation daily. I am so grateful for the love the two of us share together. Okay, so high flyers, let me just say this. There is only you and the one you love. There is only you and your specific person. There's just the two of you. There's no one else. The two of you are creating an incredible life of love together. Hey, I want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. This is the only miracle mentoring program in the world. Why do we call it that? Because we've literally helped people receive so many miracles in 60 different countries. We can help you too. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Hey, it's free. Why not find out what a mentoring program can mean for your life? Okay, here's another video I know you will appreciate.